we're doing. So the occiput is on the left. So the occiput and the atlas have compressed. So we're going to take the atlas, we're going to take the occiput off the atlas. So again, right here, we're cupping the head. I'm coming under the occiput. The base of the skull is the occiput, right? I'm still using the fingertip contact, but I'm having to get low. My arm is here. It is tender in here. So when I'm adjusting, when I come through here, I'm coming this way, right toward you. But it has to be quick.
Oh my gosh.
Right there.
All right. That's crazy.
And it's back in. Here we go.
Thanks. I'm seeing stars, but we're good.